So today I want to talk about something that has actually been one of the most requested things that I get on my channel, and one of the most common questions I get on my channel, and that is, how the heck do I use StreamElements? StreamElements is a service that helps you manage your stream, and it makes your life 10 times easier as a streamer. And today I want to take you through a tour, essentially, of StreamElements, how to use it, and how it can help you as a streamer. So, let's dive into it. Now today we got the StreamElements shirt on, so we're starting off good. We're starting off strong today. Alright, so first thing you're gonna want to do in StreamElements is go to their website, StreamElements.com. And basically you're just gonna log in with your Twitch, your YouTube, your Facebook, or your Mix. Too soon? A little bit? Yeah, maybe a little bit. We'll move on. Okay, so now that you're logged in, you're met with this page. This is the dashboard. This is going to be pretty much your first home page when you go onto StreamElements here. And basically, this is going to show you your analytics. So this is going to show you your followers, your subscribers, everything. You can sort it by the month, the week, that particular stream. So it shows you pretty much all the analytics, all the information you need to know about your stream. And then next we got the activity feed. This is actually exactly what I look at when I stream in OBS. This is the exact screen I look at. It gives me just a straight view of what is going on in my stream, who's following, who's subscribing, who's cheering bits, who's doing all of that. That is what I'm seeing when I am streaming on Twitch. It's honestly something super helpful because you just get a straight view of everything that's going on, so you don't miss a thing. Alright, OBS.live. OBS.live is an extension for OBS. So if you are using OBS to stream, this is going to be a plugin for that. And it adds a little, some extra features and some extra goodies for you, which is nice. Basically what it does is it adds some features like your activity feed, like we just took a look at, and adds your chat and everything so you can see exactly what's going on in your stream, and it makes everything modular. So you can move everything around. If you're not a fan of the layout, if you want your activity feed to be next to your chat, you can have that, or if you want, you know, your preview window to be on the other side of the interface, you can have it there. You can pretty much move everything around, which makes everything super nice, and you get to customize it to your liking. It's really awesome, and it's really helpful, and it's a great plugin. I love it. I recommend it. So be sure to download that. I think it does automatically download OBS, so if you don't have OBS downloaded, it should download it for you. Alright, alerts and overlays, they're kind of a big topic, and this is actually a topic that I could probably spend an entire video on, and I would actually like to spend an entire video on that, so we're actually going to skip through overlays. I want to give it the time that it needs, because overlays can get kind of complicated when you get into it and get kind of under the hood of all of it. It can get kind of jumbled and confusing, and so I want to spend a whole video on that, so that will be a new video coming out on my channel soon, so be on the lookout for that. Alright, let's talk about revenue. Let's talk about SEPay. SEPay is going to be the easiest and actually safest way to get any donations, any sort of payments from your audience where you are protected the most. Most of the time when you get a donation from a stream, you go through PayPal more than likely, and unfortunately what that does is it does reveal your email and other personal information that you may not feel comfortable sharing with a wide variety of people. With SEPay, that's not the case. It actually protects your information, it protects your email. When they get that statement in the mail for the payment for that donation, it basically just reads like StreamElements, and then I think it just says your name, so they know exactly where that money went to. So it doesn't give any emails, anything like that, so it's very safe. It's really awesome to use. I feel very comfortable using SEPay, and it's just a feature I really hope more companies will start using, because sometimes with payments and donations when it comes to Twitch and streaming, it can get kind of dicey, because a lot of times you get a lot of payments that come in. These big streamers, they get these big donations, like these $2,000 donations, and then like 20 days later they get like a chargeback on that $2,000 donation, and then, but the thing is, through PayPal they've already got that money in, so SEPay actually protects you from that, which is really nice. And so it keeps you safe as a streamer, protects you, and makes sure you're safe and that you're not in any financial issues, which is really helpful. Ah yes, the merch store. SE Merch. SE Merch is going to be the easiest way to deal with merch anywhere. When you first set up the merch store, they will ask you for your logo or a design that you want to put on on merch. And so you will upload that and you'll give them that logo, and they will automatically put it on the 5 basic items they have in the shop. So they will put it on a sticker, a mug. What is there? There's a mouse pad. There we go. I was forgetting that one. And then there's a hoodie and a t-shirt also. So they will put your logo on those 5 basic items right off just for you. Literally in less than 5 minutes, you have a merch store. It's awesome. And you might be saying, Jaren, that's all good and great, but I'm a small creator. Nobody's going to buy my merch. Listen, I'm a small creator as well, and people have bought merch, okay? And this is making it to where anybody can sell merch. It makes it extremely easy, and honestly, it helps you as a creator. It helps spread your brand, and it helps give your audience a way to share your channel with other people. So it's a great option for brand awareness. It's a great option for marketing in general. So I highly recommend you get into the merch game and get a design and a logo on the t-shirt, even if it's something super simple. It doesn't have to be overcomplicated. Sometimes you just got to keep things simple. And we might be asking yourself, Jaren, can I customize it? Can I move the logo around? Can I put it in the corner? Yes, you can. All you gotta do is create a new item. So you go to t-shirt, then you go to design, and then you can upload your logo in here, and then you can move your logo around in the interface and size it. You can shrink it, lower it, whatever you want to do. It makes it really nice. It makes it really easy, and that way your merch is the way you want it. It's pretty awesome. Now, the one thing to note with StreamElements merch is some inconsistencies in the manufacturing. One thing that I noticed was that I had a logo that was kind of like right here, that I put like kind of center in the chest right here, and it was lower. It was about 4 inches lower than it should have been. I reached out to the customer support. They took care of it, so they sent me a reprint. So yeah, there is a little bit of inconsistency with the manufacturing and the printing. It just is the way it is. You might see that in a lot of other printing companies as well. So it's not the end of the world. Again, the customer support service was awesome. They took care of it all for me, so it's pretty awesome. Okay, what do we got next here? Scrolling down. Loyalty points. Now, loyalty points are a fantastic feature. Basically, it works like Twitch channel points. You earn points as you watch. Same kind of concept here with the loyalty points with StreamElements. Now, looking at the loyalty settings here, this is the settings that I have for my loyalty point settings. So when you have 17, you get 17 points every 10 minutes. That's kind of how that works. You can have a follower bonus, tip bonus. All of that stuff goes into how many points that your audience will earn. And then you have a leaderboard here. This shows how many points your audience has and how many they're earning, so you can see a general view of how many points they have. There's also the Stream Store. Now, the Stream Store is where you can create items for your audience to redeem. This actually works the same way as the Twitch channel points, so this Stream Store is actually kind of obsolete, sadly. I would try to reimagine that and try to do something different with that, because it basically is the same thing as the Twitch channel points redemptions, which works way better in terms of just the integration into Twitch. It makes it way more interactive, way more fun to use. But yeah, if I'm StreamElements, I'm definitely thinking about reimagining and re-envisioning how that Stream Store works to try to make it different from Twitch channel points and that system, because it's basically the same and Twitch does it a little better. So yeah, it is what it is. You could also run contests on your stream, so you can have a contest with a couple different options, as many options as you want, where they can bet a certain amount of points that whatever option will happen. If you win a game and they bet on that, then they win. But if you lose the game, then they lose the bet. It's honestly a cool feature. I haven't played too much with this, but this might be something that I look into a little bit more. All right, last but not least, we got giveaways. This is where I run my giveaways, and I'm actually going to do a whole separate video on how I run giveaways, my philosophy behind giveaways, and the reasoning why I do giveaways the way I do them. But this is kind of the way I do it. Basically, you put your title in here, you can put a description, you could actually give a little preview here if you have like a little image for it, and you can set your ticket cost and max tickets per user. You could also set your subs to get a little bit more luck if you have a few subs. I don't have as many subs, so I don't actually have as much subscriber luck. I don't have that, but yeah, it's awesome. I love doing giveaways. It's a great way for the community to interact. Great way for you to give back to your community. It's awesome, and I love doing it. I do one every single month, and it's always a blast. And we actually have a giveaway this Saturday, July 25th, if you are watching this when this video comes out. July 25th, we have our raffle. Be sure to get your points in, and so you can be a part of that. It's always fun. $25 Amazon gift card on the line. Be a part of it. All right, last but certainly not least, we have the StreamElements chatbot. The way to think about your chatbot is think about it as an extension of you. This chatbot is your representative in chat, so that's also something to keep in mind. It's also one of your first fronts of defense against any sort of harmful trolling, harassment, anything like that. that is your first line of defense for sure. All right, let's talk about modules first. You got modules, so you got chat alerts, roulette, bingo, raffle, emote pyramids, you got duel, you got 8-ball. You got a lot of different fun things that your chat can do to interact with your chatbot, to have fun and to enjoy it, like an emote pyramid where they can battle to get the that cool emote pyramid, and if somebody ends it, they get timed out or something like that. It's always really fun. It's an enjoyable thing. These are really cool. Again, I don't use these as much. I gotta start using these more. They're really fun, they're really engaging, so I might actually look into using like bingo or duel or slot machine more. I might try to play around with that a little bit more, because those are really fun, and it's a way for your chat to interact with you and your chatbot so that it doesn't get too boring in chat. All right, next up, chat commands. These chat commands are actually a great way for your chat to get information, and again, it's more interaction than anything. You got the 8-ball command. Another command that I really like is the followage command. It shows everybody how long they've been following for. So again, these are commands that provide information and again can interact with your audience. Commands are super helpful. You can also put in custom commands. So these are custom commands. So like I always have my Twitter handle right there. I have the rules of the raffle right there. That way everybody knows the rules. They can just type that command in if they need to know the rules. That way I don't have to continue to explain it every time somebody asks it. Just ! raffle rules, boom, the rules are there. Again, you got more links, and then I have also my setup. So, !camera, it shows my camera, my lens setup, my mouse, keyboard, all that good stuff. So there's all sorts of different commands that you can add and make it a part of your stream. That way your audience can get information, learn about you, and have fun with that. Commands are just super important and super helpful for your stream. All right, next up, we got spam filters. Spam filters are really important. I actually don't have a whole lot of spam filters. I don't have any on at the moment because there was an issue I was having with the StreamElements chatbot where my audience would be typing something and they would get timed out when they actually didn't break. It wasn't spam, it wasn't anything harmful, it was just maybe they put too many emotes. It wasn't anything like that, and I would even customize, I would customize the emotes. I would go into, emote protection, and I would set, go into advanced settings, and I would set that maximum amount higher than what I would, and then any emote would be spammed and they would still get timed out. So I had that issue. When it comes to moderation, when it comes to moderating my channel, I mostly rely on Twitch's auto mod that really catches everything right off the bat, and it actually alerts me. It shows me what the message is. I can actually see the message with Twitch's auto mod, and I can approve it, deny it, and then it will automatically add those words to a blacklist of words that don't ever get said on stream again, or whitelist it and says, okay, these are approved, these are fine, And so I definitely think StreamElements chatbot is definitely better for engagement and just being a part of your chat and providing information, reminders, all that good stuff to your chat. I think that's what it's really good at. I was just having some issues with the moderation when I had it set up, so I just kind of took it away, and Twitch's auto mod kind of just does it for me. So that is my only issue with StreamElements chatbot. All right, last thing, timers. These are really important. Timers are basically reminders that are going to be in your chat, that are going to fill your chat with different reminders. So our raffle date, July 25th, by the way, that is going to be reminded in my chat in an interval of 10 minutes. Now, I have these set for 10 minutes. I actually need to up that to 15 because sometimes the chatbot can kind of clog my chat, and it kind of feels like the chatbot's the only person talking. So sometimes I need to up that a little bit so that there's a little bit more time in between messages and timers. So I need to up that. But yeah, bot timers are really great. Adding a new timer is super easy. You basically just make it a timer that says new timer, and you could basically say whatever you want, like please follow me, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, you get the point. So it's super easy to do that. So it's really easy to create a timer that's going to automatically filter into your chat, so your chat can read that, and it's a reminder. It's really nice to have. That way your chat is, informed and knows exactly what's going on. Now that is basically StreamElements 101 for you. It's a really basic intro to StreamElements. Just getting used to the interfaces and then in all the windows. Sometimes when you get into it, it gets kind of overwhelming at first. So just kind of breaking it down, giving you a nice little tour about it. StreamElements is a great tool. I love using StreamElements. I use it all the time for my stream. It's my go-to tool, and it's so awesome and easy to use. Now, I will be making a video about the overlays as well as how I run my giveaways. Those will be also 2 other tutorial videos that will be up on the channel here, hopefully soon. We'll see what my upload schedule is looking like here. But yeah, those will be 2 videos that are going to be uploaded to the channel. That way you guys know exactly how to deal with overlays. That's also a big topic to talk about anyway. But yeah, that's going to be a future video for sure. Now, if you have any questions about StreamElements at all, please be sure to leave questions down in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer any questions about StreamElements, any issues you may have. I'm more than happy to help, so be sure to leave those questions down below. And also, I want to pass this question off to you. What do you think of StreamElements? Do you like StreamElements? What would you like to see added to StreamElements? I would love to see more merch, to be honest with you. More merch would be amazing. The merch store has been available for a while now, and they've just kind of stayed with those 5 basic items. I would love to see more. I would love to see hats, beanies, long sleeve tees, zip-up hoodies. I mean, StreamElements, we need to get some more merch items in. It's time. It's time. We need to get some more merch items in. I'm excited. I love the way that you guys handle merch, and I would love to see more items being added. So, would love to see that in the future. Alright, but other than that, that's going to do it for me this video. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate you. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you want to see in the comments down below, especially if you have any questions or anything like that. Drop them down below. Again, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you. I will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day, everybody.